Welcome. In front of me is some fake Samsung phone, and today I'll show you how to put the device into factory mode. And to get started, hold the power key and from there select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down. And the moment you see some kind of logo on the screen, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. And once you see the factory mode at the top, you can let go of the volume down as well, and you should be in the factory mode. So in here you will use volume down to navigate through the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, we can test some components of the device from here, either manually or automatically. View the test reports, debug, do a debug test apparently. Clear MMC, that is a factory reset of the device. Then we have just a version information and simple reboot of the device. Now, if you want to leave this mode like I do, all you need to do is select reboot, power key to confirm it, and this will take you back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.